Video where we'll be using AI to generate content for e-commerce websites. I'll be focusing on one of my clients which sells silver jewelry. If you see, there are a lot of products, and we will take one of these products and try to imagine a video, and I will first imagine a video of how you want to make it. So there is some part of it which will be done through your imagination, and some part of it which will be brought to reality with the help of AI. We'll be using two AI softwares primarily, that is Gemini and Kling. So we will take one of these images and then try to see how we can build it. The output video will look something like this. You see this? This is a video we have created for our clients, and here is how it is. I think that was pretty classic. We are trying to sell earrings that were cyan blue in color. Maybe I can show you the real product. This is the real product that we took. And then we use the model image that we have here, and then put all of it into a couple of AI tools to then build the video for social media and for sharing on other platforms. We also use Canva to stitch all of it together. So combining these three tools, I think the outcome is incredible. Let's go ahead and build the same for one of the other products that are out there. Like I said, this is one of our clients. So we have a lot of product designs and the original content that we have made for our clients. So let me just take you through the product images first, and then we'll take one of the product images and then try to edit all of it. Yeah, so here are the product images that I have. I will take any one of these images and try to create. Let's take this image. So I think I'll need the entire face for the video, so I will try to reduce the size of it. So this is the product and the model image that I have. I will download this, download as JPG, and I'll show you, and we're going to download just this current page. Download. This is how we're going to start. We will then open AI Studio and then upload this image and try to see how we can generate more images from this. So I'm going to choose a Gemini model which is going to help me generate images. So I'll be choosing image generation. I will upload this image. So let me upload this image. This should be in my downloads. So here is the image. I upload it on Gemini, and then now I'm going to prompt and see can you generate the image with the same lady in the picture with the front view. So this is a side view photo that we have. I'm seeing if it can generate a front view. Keep the face consistent and keep the earring consistent. So this keeping it consistent as is needs to be mentioned in the prompt. Otherwise, what you have seen is see, you have gotten a great image. I think this is great, and if you see there, the earrings are now placed on both sides of the ear. This is really beautiful. So I will download this now. Make this image of the lady with the earrings walk in an office, office bay or office lobby. Let's say she is a working woman, and that's who our target audience is. I am going to keep this prompt as it is. So keep the face consistent, keep the earrings consistent. So we have to always mention to keep the face and the earrings consistent, else we can see that the output changes very frequently. All right, so we have the office, and you see that there is some change in the image. The image is not as expected. I don't think I'm really happy with what Gemini has generated, so maybe I'll ask it to generate this again. So this is a very straight face. Okay, I think this is very beautiful, right? She looks very pretty, but I don't think the earrings are consistent. Let's say close up on the face, close up on the earrings and the face. Let's say okay, so you know what I'll do instead, I will edit this prompt, an image of the lady with earrings walk in an office lobby, keep the face and then focus on the face. Give me okay, let's just do this again. So you will find that the lady is wearing the same dress, also has a similar face, is probably wearing same earrings and walking in an office lobby. But the earrings are not consistent. So if you see that the earrings are not consistent, right, it is not something that she has been wearing. So what I'll do instead is I will edit this prompt. I will not talk about anything about the earrings because I think I can edit that in the video. So let's just say that. Hi folks, so I've improved the prompt a bit. Instead of asking for a lady walking in the lobby, I've asked for someone who is wearing earrings in an office. So this is great. I can see the image, I can see the earrings. Let me download this image. I will move on to Kling, and then Kling is a place where we are going to generate videos. So there is a concept called elements. So we upload the image of the model and then use that as the core element. So when we upload elements, the elements stay consistent across all the videos and images that we create using these elements. So I've uploaded the 3 images that I have as elements. You can see them here. I will now give a prompt. The lady is working in an office and the camera zooms towards her earrings. Alright, so there is something called an inspiration where the camera rotates around the subject, camera is stationary, handheld device filming, camera zooms out, camera zooms in. So I think I would want the camera to zoom in, and then uh, I just want a standard video for 5 seconds, and I want this to be in the 9 by 16 format. And then I click on generate, and probably it will take some time to generate, probably under 3 minutes. So yeah, it takes around 3 minutes to generate the video. Let's see how we get the first video from this. In the meantime, let me go back to Gemini and then go to video gen. Let's try this out. I will upload the image of the lady here, and then let's see what Gemini generates as a video for us. And the lady with the earrings is working in the office. The camera zooms into the earrings, and let's say generate video. Let's add a slow motion thing in slow motion. Let's run and see the output here. So we are using two different apps to see which is going to give us a better output, and the one we get, whichever we think is going to be better, is the one that we're going to use. So essentially what we are reducing, if I were to hire a model to wear these earrings and set up an entire office, this would take me an entire days of work. I will need to hire a model, a photographer, a video editing expert, and then a makeup artist, someone to dress up. So this expense for just for creating this ad will go upwards of 70,000-80,000 in INR as a minimum. And then I will have to do a lot of planning where I optimize the usage of the time of the model and the crew for within the day to shoot product videos of all the earrings that I have. Whereas now I can custom generate models and videos as per the requirement that I have for each. What happened? I don't think this has run. Is queued, so your gen will appear here shortly. So it is taking some time to generate. Let's see what output we get. So this is going to get generated in under 30 seconds. Let's wait for that and also see what Gemini is going to do for us. So it is saying that it just stopped due to some issues. Let's just put this much and see what we get. I think it's all related to the prompt. Okay, all right. So you see, there's the lady. I think there's a problem with the hands where the earrings are actually going to the laptop. This is something that I didn't expect, but I think the camera should focus on the earrings, zoom towards her earrings, and then, but yet it is focusing on. I think it's getting confused, right? So let me remove the other elements here, and then probably generate the same video. The lady is working in office. Let's say camera stays on the face, and there is something called a negative prompt, so we can say no distortion, no distortion. I think distortion itself is negative prompt, and this is good. Let's generate another video and see what we get. So I've removed the image here and tried to create the same video without the image. Let's see what kind of output we get. This may not be really something that we are looking for, because the earring for which we are making the video is not going to be referenced in this video, even if it generates. So this might not be really useful, but Kling AI, I think it's quite good because we are able to generate the video. I can use at least the first 4 seconds of it, or maybe from 1 second till some part of it. Yeah, so some part of it is definitely possible. Is wearing the earring and working in an office, and this is something that I can use in social media for sure, with some subtitles. And so let me show you how this can then be used on Canva. So I download this video, I open Canva. So Canva is open here. I go to files, I go to home, I create a new project. Like I'm going to create an Instagram video, so something on a story format. This is quite good, so good for me. So let me see if the download is done. Yeah, the download is done. So the standard mode video is the one that I'm going to use. So upload a file. This is the video that I'm going to use, and then I am also going to reference I have created videos earlier, so I'm going to use a video that I had created earlier and copy that scene into Nadia, right? So this end logo is something that I'm going to copy and then paste that here. Okay, so I have gotten it twice, sorry. In this I'm going to add alright, so this is the entire ad that we see, right? So cool. Nadia, and the one thing that's missing over here is audio.
Transformative power of technology.
I'm just finding a suitable video for my ad. I'm just looking for some pleasant music, so this is quite good, right? This is good for me, and this is what is the final output.